doing that?
Oh, Peachy.
It says love. It's so cute. This is our concoction. My name is not with an A. This is not what I want.
Pin.
Some drugs. Radisson Red. We got kicked out. It looks so cloudy and sad. It does. Peach. This is Peach. She's so cute.
She's just like a princess.
We're swimming, but it's like kind of cold. But the water's hot. Whoa. Bathtub. It's like a bath.
She's just gonna push your bottle, your phone in the water. Why does she look like that?
Why is she doing that?
Now I'm gonna do a backflip.
Okay. Oh, actually good. Okay, go off, queen. That was actually good.
Oh, Peachy. Don't you want the phone? Look
Look at her pool. She's like, no, this is my territory. We're probably not going to be able to get our towel. Yeah, this looks so good. And Baraka, because your girl is kind of sick. Ooh, that green looks so good.
Two breakfast.
We love Alicia. My voice.
Mask up.
Okay, Kaylee and I are gonna go work at a cafe. Looks like we're in Edinburgh. It says love.
That's so cute.
I'm love from you.
This is hot though. Just one little sip, girl.
It's not hot. It's good, but I've had better.
Yeah.
It's like, no? Okay, maybe because it's decaf.
Yeah, maybe.
It's good. We're moving again. Having breakfast for lunch again because the sandwich was way too good not to eat again. That's cream cheese. Dollop of cream cheese on the top. Hey guys, I haven't even formally introduced this vlog yet, so I'm doing it now. I just woke up from a nap, that's why I look like this. You guys know the drill already. My cheeks get so red when I wake up from a nap. Welcome to this vlog. I'm at my friend Katie's house for like a few days. We came on Tuesday and we're leaving back to Stellenbosch on Saturday. And it's always just nice to come to her house and like eat some house food and just, you know, sleep in a nice comfy bed, take like nice showers. And it's always so nice of them that they like invite me to their house to like come stay here for a little bit. I'm like, thank you, this is so nice. Like, and I literally have been here so many times now, but I'm feeling a little bit under the weather and I have an assignment to finish that I have to hand in tonight. So I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. It's gonna be all over the place, but that's how everything is that I do, so it's fine. Katie's room is also so beautiful. I don't know if she would want me to show her room, but it's beautiful. And the lighting, because there are like 3 windows right here. Yeah, but yeah, that was so weird. I don't know what else to say. That would totally be us. Look at her cute little pink, what is it called, a harness?
I'll find out.
It's so cute for a chunky gal. She looks so funny, even so cute. Yay, that was perfect. This is our concoction. I have to put the light on because, I mean the flash on because, yeah. And that's Kaylee's. We did sweet potato stuffed with cream cheese, spinach, and cheese. And then one with honey and cinnamon. And then chicken patties.
Time to be productive while I sleep.
I don't wanna work, but I have to hand in something in T-minus 3 hours. It's supposed to be 2 pages. I'm already on 2 pages. But I still need to like write the last paragraph and then still the conclusion and then still put in some references. I only have 1 reference. I don't know if that's enough. I mean, I can look for 1 more source. I really can. I'm just lazy. And look, my English teacher spelled my name wrong. My name is not with an A. It's with a Y.
Wait, look.
I just got the shivers. What did I just say? This is what Kaylee listens to.
Don't expose me.
This is not what I want. This is not what I planned. Something's not right, really wrong. I don't understand. Help.
Changed? Or why all of a sudden you're neat as a pin and using expressions like, you gave me a fright? Or if I didn't know it better, I'd say it's almost like you were...
She's crazy. Ew, she's eating the little things that comes off of it. Oh.
Isn't she lovely?
Isn't she wonderful?
Okay, thank you.
Oh, she's coming. She is coming. We're gonna go get these disposables developed from my birthday. There are 5 in here. My hair is looking crazy. I look crazy. I'm eating a strepsil. Look how pretty.
Beautiful. It looks like glass.
Because my throat is kind of sore. And then tonight we're gonna go with Kaylee's mom to like a bar restaurant place. Kaylee said it's fancy. It has a pool. It's kind of gloomy, but it's also warm. And we are at the mall. La 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 la. This nice dress with dirty Converse. We love it. We love to see it. Show again.
Extended your invitation to the last minute.
Some drugs. Radisson Red. Guys, we're lost. We got kicked out. And we're lost. We're so lost. someone walks by. Shame. Poor little pancake. Okay, it doesn't look bad.
It tastes interesting.
Say that. It doesn't taste bad. Guys, okay, so I haven't spoken in a hot minute. This whole week has just been very crazy, very all over the place, but tonight we're having a Halloween party at Kaylee's house. Just a little get together with a few of her friends, a few of our friends, and just gonna wear our costumes that we bought and then just have a little Halloween situation. It's gonna be fun, just really small, because Stellenbosch let us down. No Halloween parties, clubs weren't having like Halloween themed things, and we were like, we want to dress up. So we're gonna go to the store and buy some things, and then yeah. Okay, this little projector. It looks cool on video. And then we're gonna play it on this wall like a Halloween montage. This thing is so cool.
Happy Halloween.
Yes.
That's a cool photo. It's crazy how slow you actually go. In my scooter. Yeah. So we could do like with the scooter. Yeah. Woo! I'm not a pro. I can't really talk to this. That was really fun. It's the next day actually. After we went to Hermanas, to Kaylee's grandparents, we came back last night, and tonight is the last night I'm sleeping here actually, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go back to Res. I'm so sad about it. This house feels like my house now. I just had the best time ever with Kaylee and her mom, and it was like honestly the best time ever, and I'm glad that you guys got to come along with me and like see everything that we did. And I hope this vlog was enjoyable. I hope you guys liked it and that it wasn't like too all over the place. This week is exam prep week. I start exams next week, which is insane. I start writing next week Wednesday, and then I write till the next week, I think like Friday or something like that. So that's really fun, and I love that for me. I just want it to be holidays already. Like I just want it to be Christmas. I'm over this. I have no motivation to do anything. This morning Kaylee and I woke up at like 5:30 and we had to submit an essay that was due at 12 p.m. and then they changed the due date from 12 p.m. today to midnight. So we actually did that for nothing, but luckily we did. So now that's like done and out of the way. We don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. So that was actually a good call. And then we also did a quiz for one of our modules. Yeah, that was basically the work we did. Now I'm just gonna sit and edit for a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.